Perth University has opened a new centre to train West Australians in one of the most in-demand skills in the workforce. They are becoming cyber security experts. And there's such a boom that students are getting high-paying jobs before they finish the course.
These students are training for the jobs of the future, but the good news is they're here right now.
It's estimated in Australia that the skill shortage over the short term is something like 30,000.
The budding cyber security experts are being taught at Edith Cowan University's new Security Operations Centre, one of the largest of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere, and the rewards are huge.
Job prospects are crazy. I've had friends already picked up out of university.
With Australian business losing billions of dollars every year to cyber attacks, the skill is certainly in demand. Over 2,000 cyber security professionals have already received training here at ECU, many of those being offered a job and a six-figure salary before graduating. Cyber security experts are often tasked with preventing attacks on company emails, phishing scams designed to obtain sensitive information, protecting business and government from ransomware, and attacks on critical infrastructure. Enrolments in cyber courses at ECU up by 20%, but the university says that's not even close to the number of jobs available.
They're seeing good job opportunities, they're seeing good salaries at the end of it, and they know there's a demand.
Ashley Nelson, Nine News.